Which word represents 80? Answer is 80. What number comes after 60? Answer is 61. Which is the largest number? 72, 21, 44? Answer is 72. In 33, what is the tens digit? Answer is 3. Complete the pattern. 10, 20, 30? Answer is 40. In 99, what is the ones digit? Answer is 9. What number comes before 92? Answer is 91. In 42, what is the tens digit? Answer is 4. Which number is smaller? 21 or 56? Answer is 21. Which number is smaller? 9 or 42? Answer is 9. Which number is smaller? 86 or 44? Answer is 44. Complete the pattern. 18, 20, 22? Answer is 24. What number comes before 24? Answer is 23. In 60, what is the tens digit? Answer is 6. Complete the pattern. 30, 35, 40? Answer is 45. What number comes after 16? Answer is 17. Which word represents 40? Answer is 40. Which is the largest number? 39, 35, 93? Answer is 93. Which is the largest number? 37, 52, 78? Answer is 78. What number comes after 37? Answer is 38.